SME from 90% in our industry sector. And together, they play a very important role, not just for the profit margin, but supporting the bigger goal of Singapore journey of decarbonisation.
Business survival from two angles. One is access to loans and financing in the future. In the future, more and more banks will be looking at providing green loans, and if SME doesn't have any credentials, so to speak, on sustainability space, they will find it increasingly more difficult to get loans.
I would say that the E2F funds have also greatly helped us to justify the projects that we do intend to implement, and also the awareness generated by various government agencies such as ESG, NEA on the importance of sustainability moving forward.
When the workers or staff is seeing that the company is slowly moving towards these energy efficient directions, their mindset will slowly change. They will slowly become more responsible and alert towards energy saving.
I believe probably look for IHL. I believe polytechnics, universities are out there to help us. So make use of the facilities, make use of their knowledge so that we can do more together.
We encourage all SMEs to just go through the assessment first. It's really important to at least know your profile of the company, the energy consumption. Then only then you can know what efficient technologies or solutions you can implement.